Hello, today we will be unboxing the Retevis two-way radio model RT-68. So on this channel we have already unboxed the RT-22 and the RT-21, so you can check those videos out. And so we're going to check out the RT-68 today from Retevis. So it just comes in a box just like this. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. So when you open it up, first thing you're going to get is your user manual, and this has all the instructions you can need, warnings, how to set up, and all that. And then what you're going to get after that is you're going to get 2 radios. This is a 2 radio pack. So this is what the radio looks like, just like that. So this is where the lithium-ion battery will be placed in just a moment, and I'll show you that. So there's that one. And here's the second radio. As I said, they do come in a 2-pack. They also come with straps, and so you can wear it on your arm if you want. Additionally, here's the lithium-ion battery. You can just pull it right out of the sleeve, and they just go just like this. And they go right in there. So you can just slide it on. It's supposed to just slide right on, and it'll go just like that. And then here are the belt clips, which are right here, which you can attach to the back. And finally, here is the charger. They're both attached right now. And so I'll show you all this together set up. Alright, so here it actually comes with a wall adapter that you can plug in to the USB port right here for the charger. So it just sets on just like this to charge. So this is what it looks like all put together, and I'll show it to you. This right knob right here is for volume and power.
Power on, 1.
So, and then you can just turn it up to the right or down to the left. This button right here on the side is the push to talk. You'll hear it turn red when you're talking, and it'll be green if somebody else is talking. And then if you have a wireless mic or a different thing like that, you can plug it in right here for a headset or earpiece, which can attach to these Walkie Talkies. So again, I wanted to show you how to attach these batteries. So this is what it comes like. So to attach the belt clip, you're going to take it right here, take the back of the lithium-ion battery, and go ahead and slide it in here, just like so. It's going to slide in. There's a little notch right there that it slides in, right there at the top. Then after that, you're going to put it on the back and slide it all the way to the front. And then there's this push button. Push it, you hear it click, and that's all good to go.
Power on, 1.
And you can see that turn green because I'm holding it down on this one right here. And that is the Retevis RT-68 Walkie Talkies. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.